This is a fabric pad with a white button in the back. It's adjustable depending on what size panty you're wearing, whether you're wearing a boy short because it's your period, or whether you just wear the skin for the underwear because you're using it as a panty liner. Now this is the bag that I received. It came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 because I let my god sister borrow one because she wanted to see how she liked it. And it also came with a bag. Now, from my understanding, this bag is what you put your dirty pads in after you use them, and you put it in the bag. Now, this bag is not your regular bag. This bag has a raincoat liner on it. I will pull up the website and I will let you guys know all the information. But yeah, these pads, I have seen nothing but raving reviews. I have seen women say that they barely feel them. They feel like there's nothing there. That it's way better than your traditional panty liner or pad, and they even or even great to sleep with through the night. So my main thing is, ew, I don't want that on me. It's gonna feel like blood on me. Not true. Just like a regular traditional pad, it soaks it up. And unlike a regular traditional pad, you feel nothing. You don't feel that rattling tape. You don't feel the tape clenching on your hair. You don't do none of it. It's just this, and you just snap it on because so it stays in place. How am I going to clean it? I can't just take it around in my bag. Well, you can just take them around your bag because this bag is not only leak-proof, it is smell-proof. Take a look at that. That material. This is the inside. This is the outside. This is the inside. This is the outside. And they are washable safe. You can pop these motherfuckers in the washing machine. I'll probably just put the 7 at once and nothing else. You can pop these motherfuckers in the washing machine and be done. Okay? So not only do they save you money, like at least $1,000 a year, but they also are easy to clean, compact enough to take around with you, and you don't have to continue to spend your money over and over again on stuff you're going to probably be spending your money on for the rest of your life if you are not introduced to HighOh. HighOh. Right here.